Testing. Hi there, my name is Rohan Bebe, and today we are going to be talking about sound. But we're going to be talking about what it is, okay? So, alright, let's give up an example of sound, such as this. Me clapping, or me speaking. But how does sound, well, what is sound definitely? It's basically, when you clap, basically a transmission of wave, basically can go through solid, liquid, and gas, can go through it, and can also be heard by. But how does it travel? Well, let's go back to this clap. The moment I touch, okay? Hear it. The moment you touch it, molecules will be vibrating, okay? And then these vibrating molecules will give it to more vibrating molecules, and the vibrating molecules give it to more vibrating molecules until it basically helps sound travel all the way to get to the person. Okay? And that's how sound works. But then now we're going to be talking about sorry. We're going to be talking about what voids are. Like, say you're in outer space. If you start talking, no one could hear you because there are no molecules in like space or an area with space where there's a void. When you start talking, you cannot hear anything because there are no molecules to move the sound, okay? So it's just nothing. You can't hear anything, okay? So how is sound measured, you might also ask? Well, sound is measured in volume, but we're going to be looking at frequency, okay? And like how high pitch or low pitch. Okay, so say we have this clap, right? You can hear it. It's loud. It's high. That's high pitch. When the radio signals are moving high, it's high pitch. But when it's going lower and further, it's a low pitch, like this. Okay. And in the middle, it's just, kind of like this, that kind of stuff. And it's measured, and frequency is measured in hertz. And did you know, humans can only hear up to 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Okay? If they hear anything below 20 hertz, it's called infrasound, which means we cannot hear it. It's inaudible. Or if the sound is above 20,000 hertz, then it's ultrasound because it's above 20,000 hertz. You can't hear it because it's too high. It's too high of a pitch. And also, sound is also measured in something called, of course, like I said before, volume. Okay, so like you see the radio, you click the button, you turn it up, the louder it gets because you're turning up the volume, which means it moves up, and it's measured in decibels. So like this clap is about let's say 20 decibels. That kind of thing, And that's mainly the basic idea and concept of sound. And that's basically what it is. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!